Last midterm exam, I know all of you guys studied really hard to earn high scores, right? But in studying, what do you guys do in between study break? Do you eat, nap, or play computer games? In my case, I listen to music in between my studies. Listening to music flips a switch that energizes me, which breaks me out of stress. Things like expecting a verse of a song that makes you also sing, or a line of a song that gives you goosebumps. Do you also feel that situation when listening to music? This begs a question: how does listening to music affect us? This presentation provides 9 health benefits of music.
Music is good for the heart. Listening to music for relaxation shows great potential for lowering one's stress, heart rate, and blood pressure. And singing continues to appear as a way to strengthen the heart. Remember, music alone is not treatment for heart disease. Music can have profound effect on both the emotions and the body. Faster music can make you feel more alert and concentrate better. Upbeat music can make you feel more optimistic and positive about your life. A slower tempo can quiet your mind and relax your muscles, make you feel soothed while releasing the stress of the day. Music is effective for relaxation and stress management. We've all experienced an emotional connection with music. A good song can make us feel happy or sad, in love or angry. In recent years, scientific studies have confirmed the connection between music and mood. Some studies have found that listening to music you enjoy may increase the release of pleasure-causing substances in the brain like melatonin and norepinephrine. It may also decrease stress-causing hormone production in the body. As a result, music therapy has the power to do the following: reduce stress, ease anxiety, improve sleep, lessen depressed mood, create positive mood, and boost self-confidence and increase energy.
How music helps people to eat less. According to new research, there's a way to eat less without tapping into your willpower reserves. A study found that people tend to eat less while listening to soft music. What's even better is people enjoy their meals more in that setting. The presence of a downbeat tempo influences how much people scoff their food because humans have a tendency to subconsciously eat to the beat of music. When the music played is slow and legato, this amplifies the effect and further reduces food consumption. Scientists says the findings could be used by schools or restaurants as a way to control the amount people consume. And here are the 5 ways music can help you eat healthy. Music reduces stress and rewards good behavior. Anyone who has ever been in a bad mood knows that listening to upbeat music helps us reduce our stress and changes our mood. We all know that stress tends to make people eat more. Simply listening to music reduces our stress levels and help us beat back our food cravings and eat more healthfully. Second, music distracts us from temptation and help you shop to a list. We all know that one of the best ways to stay healthy is to make a shopping list and stick to it, but it is harder than it looks. Music helps us avoid temptations. Listening to music while shopping helps us block distractions and make us stick to our shopping list and avoid foods that are unhealthy. Third, listening to slower music actually helps you eat more slowly and get full on less food. It takes about 20 minutes for our brains to get the message that we're full. It is true whether we eat faster or slower, which make us strong argument for eating slowly. Luckily, listening to slow music while eating reduces our pace and help us get full on less food, which means less calorie intake for us. Fourth, loud music actually makes food taste worse. Believe it or not, loud music reduces our enjoyment of food. Study shows that loud noises suppresses our ability to taste sweetness and saltiness. We can use this to our advantage to help kill pure cravings by throwing our earbuds in and listening to rock and upbeat music. Lastly, music leads to better moods which make for better dining experiences. Studies also shows that music can load to a better dining experiences, along with the right plating, lighting, and company. Music can significantly add to the enjoyment of our meal. Why does this matter health-wise? Well, if you don't like leafy foods and more into meat and junk foods, listening to music may boost your brain's overall impression of the yummiest factor of your food. So you see, while music isn't a diet cure-all and can completely stop you from eating those unhealthy foods, it can help your decisions making better and increasing the overall health of your eating choices.
Music increases workout endurance. Listening to music while exercising doesn't just relieve boredom. It can help improve the quality of your workout by increasing your stamina and putting you in a better mood. In particular, music that is motivational or synchronized with your exercise is shown to have physical and psychological effects. When a song has a strong, steady beat, for example, you can pedal or run to the beat of that music, which tends to feel satisfying and may inspire you to exercise more. The lyrics or catchy rhythm of the motivational music inspires you to exercise longer or work harder during your exercise routine. A research conducted by Lucy Clark at Brunel University has confirmed that listening to music while you exercise could increase your endurance up to 15%. However, Dr. Kostas Karagiorgis found that only certain music genres aid the workout, and some music is totally inappropriate, and there is a specific speed and tracks should be followed, ideally between 120 and 140 beats per minute, to maximize the result. In another study conducted for the American College of Cardiology led by Wassim Shami from Texas Tech University Health Science in Texas, that reinforces the former said the research that upbeat music has synergistic effect in terms of making you want to exercise longer and stick with the daily exercise routine. And it also recommended in another research by Noel Bricht, Megan, and Richard Metcalfe that in doing exercise, an individual should smile while exercising. Furthermore, to solidify the claim, a 2020 study by Frontiers has shown that listening to high tempo music increases the benefit of exercise for physical fitness and reduces the perceived effort involved. This effect was more pronounced in high performing endurance exercises such as walking than in those undergoing high intensity training such as weightlifting. In conclusion, listening to music that you enjoy and that fits your exercise routine can help you get more out of your exercise experience, since everyone has a different ideal workout pace and intensity. Determining exactly what tempo works for you may be trial and error process.
Music stimulates memories. We tend to think of memory as one of the most important indicators of our intellectual capacity. That is basically what makes us such a capable human being. Without memory, people would be unable to transmit knowledge from one generation to the next, which is how we progress through evolution. Various studies of music affecting memory may help us better understand and learn music from memory. One of the few things we truly have control over to help us make stronger memories is music. According to a research from the Music and Neuroimaging Laboratory at Harvard-affiliated Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, singing lyrics can be especially beneficial to those healing from a stroke or brain injury that has injured the left brain area responsible for speech. People can learn to communicate through music before eventually transitioning back to speaking since singing uses the right half of the brain. Another research demonstrates the connection between music, emotion, and memory. We can understand that music is important in the formation of memories because music generates intense emotions, and emotions improve memory functions. This may be true of knowledge or memories connected to certain musical compositions. According to several studies, frequently listening to one's favorite music may considerably boost verbal memory and focus attention. especially when compared to others who don't do so.
Music is one of a number of non pharmacological methods of relieving chronic pain, along with exercise and cognitive behavioral therapy, that have been found to be effective in randomized controlled trials. It can be controlled by the listener and can capture attention strongly, shifting it away from unpleasant sensations. Perhaps a belief that music can control pain levels may be influential enough alone to have a pain relieving effect rather than the actual choice of the music. Rather counterintuitively, the Cochrane review suggested that music selected by others is better at reducing pain in intensity levels compared to the person's preferred music.
How does music help in relieving depression? Music has been shown in studies to help calm your nervous system and lower cortisol levels, both of which can help reduce stress. Similarly, making music can help release emotion, reduce anxiety, and improve overall mental health. When paired with normal care, individual music therapy is beneficial in treating depression in persons who are working age and have depression. Other studies suggest that music therapy, with its unique characteristic, can be beneficial addition to tried and true treatment methods. Music engages the neocortex of our brain, which calms us and reduces impulsivity due to its rhythmic and repetitive aspect. We frequently use music to match or change our mood, while matching music to our mood has advantages, but it can also potentially keep us stuck in a depressive, angry, and anxious state which needs to be avoided.